Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a Queenacraft design team share. And I'm going to show you what I selected for this go around, and I have all the links down below, as well as a discount code that you can use in their store. All right, let's jump right in. And we are going to start off with this die set here. And remember, they always send these nicely packaged. So this is called the sided border dies here. And then the next one is called six-sided border dies, which are right here. And these will coordinate very well with this one here, which is called six-sided sewing thread border dies. So I got both of those. And then this last one here is called the ellipse corner flower die. And that's what I got there. Now, I also chose several sequence packs, and let's see if I can get this right. This one is called Golden Transparent Glitter Sequence, and those are small, and some of them are a little bigger, and it's really, really pretty. And then this one here is called it's 1, 2, and 3 4mm round sequence, and so you have a bunch of different sizes in there, and it's really pretty. As you can tell, I plan on doing some shaker cards. And then this one here is called Shaker Card Fill Sequence, and it's little pink hearts, and it's so pretty. I love that one. And then with the last, we have 3mm shaker card fill, and I think I have lavender, and I know for sure blush. But anyways, there's several different colors in this one that you can pick out, and I love the way these look. If you can just see, they're so tiny and so pretty. And this is called blush, I think is what it's called, but it's pink and it's really cute. And then this one's lavender, which is kind of more like a what is it called? Like a maroon color. And then it has hints of gold. I really like that. And I think it's pretty close as to what it's showing there. But those are all of the things I chose from Queenacraft for this month. And like I said, I'll have their links down below and that discount code. So just head over and go shopping. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.